When you look at the greatest rivalry in automotive history, the most shocking discovery isn't about horsepower or speed. It's the fact that Ferrari literally handed their biggest competitor the exact blueprint to destroy their monopoly. In 1962, Ferrari had a strange problem. They built the best racing cars on earth, but they treated their actual paying customers like an absolute afterthought. This blind arrogance led to a single insult that birthed a billion-dollar brand. So in this video, I'm going to show you three things. Number one, how a simple tractor mechanic exposed Ferrari's biggest flaw. Number two, how one argument turned into the most aggressive strategic pivot in luxury business history. And lastly, what is the Spite Playbook and how you can steal it for your own business. To understand how Lamborghini became the ultimate anti-gatekeeper, you have to rewind to post-war Italy in 1948. Long before he was a billionaire, Ferruccio Lamborghini was a military mechanic in the Italian Royal Air Force. He improvised repairs with scrapped parts. He built a massive empire making Carioca tractors from surplus military engines. As a self-made multi-millionaire, he did what any wealthy Italian would do. He bought a Ferrari 250 GT. But while everyone else was going gaga over Ferrari's status, Ferruccio was dealing with a frustrating reality. His expensive sports car kept burning out its clutch. You see, Ferrari's entire focus was on racing. Their road cars were just loud, stiff side hustles used to fund the race team. When Ferruccio's own tractor mechanics finally dismantled the Ferrari, they found the smoking gun. The faulty clutch was the exact same under-engineered commercial model used in his heavy tractors. Ferruccio fixed it himself with a heavy-duty tractor part. He drove to the factory and gave this feedback directly to his idol, Enzo Ferrari. Enzo's response? "You are a tractor driver. You are a farmer. You shouldn't complain about driving my cars because they are the best cars in the world." Enzo didn't just insult a fan. He ignored a massive market gap. High-performance cars that were actually comfortable to drive. Ferruccio didn't just get mad. He got strategic. In 1961, Enzo Ferrari had a massive fallout with his top staff, leading to the Great Walkout. Ferruccio immediately swooped in. He capitalized on this by hiring Ferrari's ousted genius engineers, including Giotto Bizzarini. He gave Bizzarini a brutal incentive, a massive cash bonus for every single horsepower he could extract over Ferrari's V12 engine. In just 4 months, Automobili Lamborghini built their first prototype. They slapped a bull on the hood as a direct, aggressive strike against Ferrari's prancing horse. Today, Lamborghini is perceived as the bold alternative to Ferrari's heritage. But the real magic isn't what Ferruccio built, it's how he built it. Here are 3 lessons hidden inside the Lamborghini playbook that you can steal today. Lesson number 1. Your customer's complaint is your R&D. Ferrari assumed their product was perfect. Ferruccio built the Gran Turismo the customer actually needed. Ignoring customer feedback is the fastest way to build your own biggest competitor. Lesson number 2. Capitalize on arrogance. Arrogance creates disruption. Ferruccio built a 50-year engine legacy simply by hiring the exact talent his rival alienated. Lesson number 3. Ego kills, pragmatism wins. When his tractor business faced a global crisis in 1972, Ferruccio was ruthlessly pragmatic. He sold his shares and retired to his estate to make Umbrian wine. He proved his mindset was always about the quality of the product, not the ego of the industry. Those are the lessons from the ultimate business rivalry. Hit the subscribe button for more business breakdowns because when you look at the greatest rivalry in automotive history, the most shocking discovery isn't about horsepower or speed.